one more time. Start from the beginning. Okay.
Today was the big day. Bill, Molly, go. That's it. That's fun. One by one, they said, eat their names. Truman, Jill. What? Truman, Jill, Molly, Bill. There's so many Jills. Crayons were broken. Cheese.
We keep reading?
No.
Oh.
The crayons were broken because it's so it was time for lunch. Rovo didn't like one, but he wanted one.
Wanted a cookie, but he didn't get one. Was he sad?
Yeah. Soon it was time to play outside. But he said, okay. But I don't like this broken sock. I miss my crayons. I did not eat a cookie. I don't like the broke. They hate bologna.
Oh, he's very sad, huh?
Cheese. Well, I like jacks better, he said. I don't know how to play jacks, said Buddy. But do you have your own pencil box? No. Bill and Mommy. Well, it will do. That's a lot. So is it will.
It sure is. He had a lot of friends. 2 friends, huh? That's a lot.
So is it will.
Is that a good book?
Today was the big day. Bill